Hi friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday video. This one is going to be really fun because it is a quick on-the-go lunch wrap type thing, and my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy is doing a collab with me doing this as well, and she is going to be doing a fun wrap also. So after you're done watching this video, if you have not yet, check her video out and see what she has created with an easy on-the-go lunch with the wrap. So let's get to cooking. So for this recipe, all you need is some tortillas, you need some peanut butter, you can use creamy or crunchy, whatever you prefer, and then also some jam. So that's all you need to make this recipe. Alright, so all I'm doing right now is I'm going to be swiping the peanut butter a little bit on one end of it, just so when I wrap it up it can have some sticky substance to kind of hold it together. And then I'm just putting a little bit of the jam on here, and I'm just going to use this different spoon to kind of mix it up all good. The reason why I'm not using the same spreader is because I'm making multiples of these today for lunch for my son and my daughter and my nephew. So that's what I'm doing. You could always leave it like this, or you can cut it in half like I'm doing, but this is what it looks like when you do. It's kind of fun. Alright, you can have it to go, or you can put it on a plate and put some pirate booty for the side. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more to come, and we'll be doing more Tasty We'll be doing more Tasty Tuesday videos every Tuesday for a while longer, and I hope you are enjoying them. And if you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. We need more friends, and check out Rachel's channel if you haven't yet, and subscribe to her because you will definitely be happy you did. She makes a lot of videos just like mine, and she has a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home. So definitely check out her channel and subscribe to her if you haven't already, and like her videos, and because her videos are very likable. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye!